Let's go! Alright, I'm making a drink probably. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I'm making a milkshake because, well, my computer's broken. I mean to make a video about that, but I haven't done that yet. So I'm making a video about this instead because I recorded one earlier, but well, they got rid of the video because it was absolute shite. Alright, just I won't really be looking at the camera much, like I can see you now, hi, but yeah. So obviously I'm making a milkshake, so first things that you want milk, normal stuff. Just pour the milk in there, that's fine, that's probably enough. Alright, so you got your milk, you need a spoon for some reason. Ah, yeah, the ice cream, because, ice cream's important. Is there any logos? No, good. Okay, yeah, you need ice cream because that's what doesn't just make it juice with blended stuff in it. Oh, fuck the dog. I actually don't do that, that's illegal. I mean, fuck, the dog's coming over here. Hi, Charlie. Yeah, you just stay down there. Oh fuck, that's a lot of ice cream. Right, what if I just break it up a bit? This went much better in my head, like, granted I also expected a few more things to break, but I expected less of my dog just suddenly running into the kitchen. Can you stop licking the plates? Yeah, that's fucking right. Okay, so yeah, you make a milkshake, you got milk and shit. Okay, so when you're making a milkshake, don't slam it off the desk. Oh fuck, that's a lot of soap. Because if you slam it off the desk, then Jesus Christ, all the stuff comes out. And that's something that I do because I'm completely fucking stupid. Makes sense, really. Alright, now I can clean up, great. Okay, great, now. Great. So that's basically done. I may have to put everything I've just got in. Oh fuck, that's freezing, that's absolutely freezing. Shit. Okay, well now oh shit. Okay, there's just soap absolutely everywhere. I am really shit at this, okay. I think shit might just be my word of the day. Okay, now the ice cream's everywhere. I need this. So I've got a certain brand that does cookie crumble chocolate in a pink wrapper, and you probably know it if you're English. But I'm not gonna say it because I don't know how copyright works. Although you probably saw it there. I don't think Americans actually have this. Actually, fuck it. Has anyone in America ever heard of Galaxy? Like, Galaxy is the shit. It is amazing. Give me a sec. I'll just... Oh shit! Where did it go? Oh cool, it fell in the sink. Alright, there we go. So I'll cut it up small so that it blends easier, but I'm not sure how this will go. I didn't really plan this out, honestly. This is just something that I can put out, just like the egg sandwich thing. Just so that I had something to post whilst my computer was completely dead, because I may need to reset the entire thing. That means you have to miss a video of Chris, who you may or may not remember from some of my live streams, getting hit in the face with a rocket launcher. Because apparently the rocket isn't the thing I should be worrying about. It's the rocket launcher just throwing itself back and absolutely annihilating you. Fuck, that hurt! Right, okay. Alright, so once all the stuff's in, you got your vanilla ice cream, you got your milk, actually that's a lot more milk than I expected, and you got your Galaxy Cookie Crumble chocolate chip, very nice stuff, can I just say? Because last time I reviewed a product or a trailer, I was copyright claimed because they didn't like it. And that's really bad, this is loud. I'll just stand over here. So this is very loud, if you can't tell. Very loud, very annoying. Also the second glass is for some water. It's almost done, it's fine. I haven't burned out the motor yet, so it's okay. It'll be okay, it's just gonna be fine. This actually terrifies me. Also, the cool thing about our blender, it's literally impossible to cut your hands off with. Unless you're a complete fucking idiot. Alright, that should be enough. Kelly, shift it to the left. Okay. That's very nice. Alright. There we go. Just, the top sometimes gets stuck, which is obviously very frustrating when I want to drink what's inside. And now we pour. Oh no. Oh yes, that's fine. That's absolutely fine. That's some good shit right there, not gonna lie. And while I'm here, you know what's a good thing? I might put the Discord server. I run a Discord server with my friends, but it's not really active. So that looks clean. Okay, no, that's not clean. Yeah, I run a Discord server with my friends. It's just a recording studio thing so that we can record things alone, but it's a bit easier just to do things there. Plus, it adds a bit of sense of community to everything, so I like it. I might plug it at the bottom of this video. I'm also gonna have to plug my Twitter, so maybe not. Yeah, it looks pretty clean to me. Alright. Now I just need to clean off the lid. So yeah, I've got Discord, but I also have Twitter, if you don't know. Please follow me there, I'm getting very lonely. Like, I usually talk about good stuff, but sometimes very often I'll talk about feminism or probably something that'll offend someone. So, go follow it if you're not easily offended. That's probably a good way to put it. That's what all the meme accounts say, and everyone seems to love that. Also, fuck Serial Gentleman, because he's a piece of shit. There we go. Like, just Serial Gentleman hasn't done anything to piss me off specifically. It's just the way that he conducts, his account. So, he'll advertise in everyone else's comments and shit, then accuse people of doing it in his. He pisses me off severely. That's one good fucking milkshake. There you go. That is Galaxy Cookie Crumble milk and vanilla ice cream. That is a good milkshake. I like that. Actually, I'm gonna have some more. But yeah, Subscribble. Subscribble, I'm thirsty. Yeah, that's definitely good. Yeah. Alright then. Where's Charlie? I need a picture of a dog. Everyone loves dogs. Alright, we're gonna go find the dog first before this ends. Charlie, get here! Get here, dumbass. Alright, go on. Hi. Hi. I'm just using you, okay? I'm just using you for views and shit, because everyone loves dogs. Isn't that right? You know I use you, Charlie. No, I love you. I love you. I don't know if he's caught all of that, but yeah. I use him just for... I just use him for the pet views, basically. Because this can easily go in the pets folder now. On YouTube. Folder? Category. So yeah, everyone have fun. This is great.